Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to learn the addition and subtraction of degrees, minutes, and seconds in engineering surveying. But before we start, why is it recommended that you have a knowledge of this? In construction and civil engineering, the correct positioning of elements on the Earth's surface is important, from the architectural and structural drawings. This is also applicable to bridges, dams, highway, roads, tunnel, airports, commercial and residential structures, not excluding the foundation elements, columns, beams, slabs, even pavements. Traditionally, positions are given in degrees, minutes, and seconds of angles in two measurements. The first one is for the latitude, which is the angle north or south of the equator. And the second is for the longitude, which is the angle east or west of the prime meridian. This has been explained in another video. Make sure you check out the playlist. Many surveying instruments like theodolite and total stations automatically add and subtract the decimal, degrees, and minutes for us. In this mathematics of engineering surveying video, we are going to manually learn how to add and subtract DMS. Let's start with the addition of degrees, minutes, and seconds. In this question, we have only degrees and minutes, no seconds. The first step is to rearrange it for addition. Now that you have the minutes and the degrees, you can start your addition. Hence, 38 minutes plus 53 minutes. You will have 91 minutes. Next, 64 degrees plus 25 degrees. You have 89 degrees. This is minutes. However, conventionally, we have only 60 minutes. We don't even have 61, let alone 91. Hence, we subtract 60 from 91. When you subtract 60 from 91, you will get 31 minutes. This is now less than 60. Next, this 60 you subtracted will be added to the degrees. Hence, you're going to have 89 degrees plus 60 minutes, and this will be 90 degrees. Hence, you're going to have 90 degrees. Finally, this is our answer. 90 degrees, 31 minutes. Let's consider this question. Still on addition. 42 seconds plus 34 seconds. You have 76 seconds. Next, 17 minutes plus 56 minutes. And you have 73 minutes. Next, 123 degrees plus 158 degrees. You have 281 degrees. You can see that in our convention, we go from seconds to minutes, then we now go to degrees in this direction. Next, let's consider the second side. This is greater than 60 seconds. Hence, we are going to subtract 60 from 76. Hence, if you subtract this, you will get 16 seconds. Next, in trying to bring 73 down, I will add these 60 seconds I subtracted here. And as it's coming down, it's going to become 74 minutes. And this will just come down to become 281, unchanged. Next to consider is the minutes. This is greater than 60 minutes. Hence, we'll not leave it like this. We'll subtract 60 minutes from 74. This 16 will just come down. However, I will subtract 60 from 74 and I'll be left with 14 minutes. Next, I will bring down this 281. However, I will add this 60 that I subtracted to this, and as it's coming down, it becomes 282 degrees. This is now less than 60 seconds. This is now less than 60 minutes. This is our final result. Pause the video and try this out. Now let's try it out together. 27 minutes plus 53 minutes. That's 80 minutes. 159 degrees plus 85 degrees. That is 244 degrees. Next, consider the minute side. This is greater than 60 minutes. Hence, you subtract 60 minutes. Subtracting 60, you get 20 minutes. Next, as 244 degrees is coming down, this 60 will add to it and you get 245 degrees. This is now less than 60 minutes. Hence, this is our result. Next, let's look at the subtraction of degrees, minutes, and seconds. 38 seconds subtract 21 seconds. You have 17 seconds. Next, consider 15 minutes, which is greater than 9 minutes. If you do the subtraction, you are going to get 6 minutes. Next, 48 degrees is greater than 15 degrees. And if you do the subtraction, you are going to get 33 degrees. 17 seconds is less than 60 seconds, and 6 minutes is also less than 60 minutes. Hence, this ends here, and this becomes the answer. Let's consider this question. 17 seconds is less than 22 seconds. This subtraction cannot take place. Hence, we need to borrow from the minutes to the seconds to do the subtraction. Hence, we are going to take 1 minute here, and this 1 minute is actually 60 seconds. When you add this borrowed 60 seconds and you're adding it to 17 seconds, you're going to end up having 77 seconds. Hence, I'm going to have 77 seconds to subtract 22 seconds. And on this side, I'm now left with 5 minutes because 1 minute is gone, subtracting 11 minutes. On this side, I have still 33, and on this side, I have 4 degrees. This becomes my new question. Hence, I'm going to be solving this. Now, let's begin subtraction of the seconds. 77 seconds minus 22 seconds. We have 55 seconds. Now we are done with the seconds. Let's consider the minutes. 5 minutes minus 11 minutes. Now we have a new problem. Hence, I'm going to borrow 1 hour from here. 1 hour. And this 1 hour is 60 minutes. This 1 hour is equivalent to 1 degree. And I have 5 minutes here. Hence, I will now have 5 minutes plus 60 minutes. That is the 60 minutes I took from here. And we are going to have 65 minutes. So here, I'm going to have 65 minutes. And here, what is remaining is 32 degrees. Hence, my new question becomes 32 degrees, which is subtracting from 4 degrees. And here I'm going to have 65 minutes, which is subtracting 11. And this 77.22 here has not changed. With this being 65, our question will change, and this being 32. Hence, our new question becomes this. The 55 here has not changed because we've completed this side. Next, 65 minutes minus 11 minutes, 54 minutes. Next, 32 degrees minus 4 degrees. Hence, we have 28 degrees. This is less than 60 seconds, and this is less than 60 minutes. Hence, this becomes our final result.